Design pattern 614. Why it is not coming? Yeah, proxy design pattern Feb 9th, guys. Proxy design pattern Feb 9th. What is that, guys? Dynamic proxy. Dynamic proxy generation. Okay. Yeah. Yeah. What is the design pattern we are discussing, guys? Proxy DP design pattern. Okay. Proxy represents dummy. Proxy represents dummy. Okay, dummy acting as real. Okay, with additional functionalities. With additional functionalities. Proxy represents dummy acting as real with additional functionalities, guys. Simply, literally, with what functionalities, boss? Additional functionalities. Understanding my point? Okay. All right, guys. The proxy class can be generated in two ways. Okay, using manual process. Using what process, guys? Manual process. Number one, using manual process. Number two, okay, using, okay, as in-memory dynamic class. In-memory dynamic proxy class. As what, guys? In-memory dynamic proxy class, guys. Are you understanding my statement, guys? As in-memory dynamic proxy class using CZlib and JDK libraries. Using CZlib and JDK libraries. JDK means Java Development Kit libraries, guys. Okay. Fine, guys. I think yesterday we discussed about this, and this is best, guys. This is best. Okay. What do you mean by normal Java class, guys? When it comes to normal Java class, tell me. .java hard disk. It will be there in hard disk. After compilation, what I will get? .class. This will be there in hard disk. Java. Then what next? JVM loads the class. JVM loads and executes the class. JVM loads and executes the class. In the JVM, what is that? This will happen where, guys? Okay. Okay, this will happen was in JVM memory of the RAM. In what? JVM memory of the RAM. Of the RAM, guys. Array, entire execution happens in RAM only, boss. Congratulations, Rahul Srivastava. I think yesterday you said you joined. I hope it's from other company, right? Congratulations, my dear. Okay, boss. Next one, in-memory class. In-memory class or dynamic class, guys. Dynamic class. Tell me, guys. Okay. Tell me here. What is this? This is very interesting. Application executes. Application 1 executes. Application 1 execution. Where happens, guys? JVM memory of RAM. JVM memory of RAM, guys. JVM memory of RAM, guys. Next. That is surely what, guys? JVM memory of the RAM. That is application 1 execution, guys. Application 1 execution. After that, what next, boss? After that, what next? We got that generates in-memory class generation. In-memory class generation. This is my source code generation, guys. This is my source code generation. This is seriously, literally my source code generation, guys. Okay. After that, what next? Okay. This also happens where, guys? Source code generation. This also happens JVM memory. JVM memory of the RAM. JVM memory of the RAM. Next, source code compilation. Source code compilation. Where it happens, guys? JVM memory of the RAM. JVM memory of the RAM. So that means this is .java, this is the .class and source code compilation. Source code compilation and byte code generation, guys. Source code compilation and byte code generation. Compilation and byte code generation. Yeah, happens where in JVM memory of the RAM. Tell me, guys, byte code execution. Yeah, this will happen where, guys? JVM memory of the RAM. This will happen where? In JVM memory of the RAM, guys. Right, boss? Is that clear, my dear? Come on. This will also happen in JVM memory of the RAM, guys. Application 1 execution, in-memory class generation, source code compilation and byte code execution, guys. Byte code execution, JVM memory of the RAM, boss. Super or not? Everything is happening in JVM memory. Nothing will be there in hard disk. Yeah, already we run one application. That application generates all this stuff, guys. Very, very interesting concept. So far in core Java, advanced Java, we have seen this kind of classes only. But generally in Spring level, Hibernate level, we observe this one. Source code generation, compilation, execution, everything happens there only, boss. Everything happens there only. Got the clarity, boss? Come on, come on. Are you able to digest? Sir, you are not using the word. Yeah, sir, you are not using the word .java .class. Or if I use .java .class, indirectly I am talking about what? Indirectly I am talking about what? If I give .class .java, what happens, guys? Indirectly I am talking about hard disk. File means what? Hard disk. Hard disk means what? Entire theory gone, right? So that's why I don't use here .java .class kind of thing. Source code comes in the in-memory RAM memory. Byte code comes in the in-memory, that is RAM memory. Execution from the beginning happens in what? RAM memory. This time also happens in RAM memory. Tell me, guys, reflection API. What is the next one, guys? Reflection API. Working with java.lang. Reflect and its sub packages. Reflect and its packages. Gives more info about given Java class. Gives more info about given Java class and methods. Okay, gives more info about given Java class and methods, guys. Okay, dynamically at runtime. Dynamically at runtime. Now tell me, guys. Yeah, reflection means mirror image, right? When you stand in front of mirror, mirror shows your details. Na? When you give your class or interface or enum or annotation to reflection API application as input value, it will provide a lot of details about that class or interface or enum or annotation. Understanding my statement, guys? Okay, mirror shows the reflection of given item. Mirror shows the reflection of given item. Similarly, reflection API application shows multiple details about come on, given class or interface or enum or annotation. Enum or annotation, guys. Given class or interface or enum or annotation. Everyone getting my point here, guys? Come on. Given class or interface or enum or annotation, boss. Super, boss. Okay. Yes. Okay. Now tell me, guys, important classes of reflection API. Reflection API. Method. Array. Each object of method class represents one Java method. Next, field. each object of come on, each object of field class represents okay, one member variable, guys. One member variable. Okay, next. Constructor, class name itself constructor, guys. You don't believe class name, you want more clarity? Java.lang.reflect method, guys. Next, java.lang.reflect field, guys. Next, java.lang.reflect constructor, guys. Each object of constructor represents, what is that, guys? Each object of constructor represents one zero param constructor. One constructor. It may be zero param or something else. Fine. Java.lang.class, guys. Each object represents one class or method or enum or annotation. What, guys? Enum or annotation. Many things are there like this, guys. Your regular OOPS terminologies itself class names, boss. Fine, guys. Now tell me, guys. Generating in-memory proxy class, guys. In-memory proxy class using CZlib libraries. CZlib library. What do you mean by CZlib, guys? CZlib means code generation library. Code generation library. CZlib is nothing but code generation library. CZlib is nothing but code generation library. Generating in-memory proxy class using CZlib library. Super, guys. 1 minute. Did I write anything wrong? Represents. No, sorry, it won't represent method, guys. It represents data type. Enum or annotation. It represent class or interface. Actually, I thought of writing interface, guys. Interface. Method, class, object represent. Tell me, guys, CZlib. Code generation library, boss. What is this? Code generation library. Step number 1. Step number 1. Add CZlib related jar files to class path or build path of the project. Class path or build path of the project. Okay, guys. What is this? Proxy DP. Proxy DP. Manual proxy class, guys. This is a manual proxy class. Proxy DP. Dynamic proxy class, guys. Dynamic proxy class. Here is my CZlib. Here is my CZ lib, boss. Dynamic proxy class. Here is my CZ lib. Let's see now. Okay, now I have to add 2 jars, guys. First of all, you have to download those jars from the company, from the internet. There is a website called mvnrepository.com. Yeah, reference code, always keep it, guys. There's no wrong in that. Tell me, czlib 3.3 ASM. This is dependent jar file for first jar, guys. Okay, both you can get from internet, guys. There's a website called mvnrepository.com. There's a website called, tomorrow morning 9 a.m. I'm starting new advanced Java batch. Anyone is having meeting ID, please share with me. Anyone is having meeting ID? Advanced Java batch meeting ID, please share with me. No one is having meeting ID? Someone can collect and paste in the chat box. Okay. Now tell me. Yeah, there's a website called, not for you people. If you don't know, if you don't know Servlet JSP strongly, then think about this course. If you are good in that course, leave it. Leave it. Don't worry about it. Okay, 9 a.m. advanced Java, Feb 10th. Feb 10th batch, guys. Yeah. Meeting ID, password. Are you getting any problem towards attending classes, guys? Yeah, if you are getting problem towards attending classes, remove. In the link, remove Naresh IT. You remove Naresh IT, guys. Okay, those are getting problem towards attending classes, joining class. In the link, if Naresh IT is there, remove it, problem is solved. Okay, advanced Java 100+ sessions, guys. But you can take multiple topics parallelly in order to complete. Now, just now I shared the link. Na? You have not got the link? Okay, let me share. Done. Okay, now let me open this MVN repository. mvnrepository.com. What is a czlib, guys? czlib. czlib, which is right. No, this is third party. 3.3 is the latest one, guys. 3.3 is the latest one. Click on this. It will go to download section. It will go to download section. Show in folder, guys. Oh, 2 times downloaded. Don't worry. You delete 1 time, then problem is solved. Actually, already there. That's why this number 1 is coming. czlib of other time. Let me delete it. czlib of. Yeah. Then you download freshly, guys. Then that number will not come. Show in folder, guys. Next one is what? asm.jar. come to this ASM search. ASM search 3.3. The reference example ASM 7.1. I think am I not using correct ASM? ASM 3.31. Which ASM Rababu? Which ASM? ASM Commons. Yeah, 7.1 is there. But I think latest is 9.0. Let's use latest only. Click on jar. No, yeah, it's ASM Commons. But I'm looking for what? ASM 7.1. Just ASM. Okay, let me try ASM iPhone 7.1. ASM iPhone 7.1. Am I right? Hey, where are you, ASM? ASM. 3.31. ASM all. What's happening, guys? Why it is not coming? Third one, ASM Commons. I think let's see what we are going to get. ASM jar is downloaded already somehow. Download, guys. Oh, it came, guys. Okay. Both the jars are there, boss. Now, ASM might be there already. That's why it's worried. Tell me, guys. Build path. Configure build path. Configure build path. Class path. Add externals, guys. CZ lib and ASM. CZ lib and ASM. Yeah. Okay, guys. What is the folder name? CZlib version.jar, guys. Next, ASM iPhone 7.1.jar. ASM iPhone 7.1.jar. Right, boss. Tell me. Tell me 3.3 jar, ASM iPhone 7.1 jar. From which URLs we got it, guys? Okay, this is for, I think here I have got the ASM MVN repository. This came from this. This came from this. What about CZlib one, guys? What about CZlib one, guys? Yeah, 3.31, guys. Here is the CZlib one. Done. Step number 2. Step number 2, guys. Yeah, what is step number 2, boss? Okay. Step number 2 it is, guys. Step number 2. Develop helper class. Helper class having additional logic to add. Additional logic to add to in-memory proxy class. Additional logic to add to in-memory proxy class. Add to dynamic in-memory proxy class. Dynamic in-memory proxy class, guys. Okay, guys. Here proxy is there. This is our proxy. No, sorry, yesterday's proxy. This proxy package, I will take it for bank service proxy helper. Bank service proxy helper. Okay, that helper should it become helper only after implementing what? Method interceptor. That become helper only after implementing method interceptor. Super, guys. This is compulsory. That gives me intercept method, guys. That gives me intercept method. Object obj represent a target class. That means original class. Method represent original method. Object array args represent target method arguments. Okay, method proxy. Okay, array, this will help us to call, this will help you to invoke real method. This will help to call real method from the dummy method. From the dummy method, guys. But it become helper class only after implementing this. It become helper class only after implementing it. See, guys. See, guys, what I'm doing this. If method dot get name equals ignore case withdraw. If it is withdraw method, if it is withdraw method, tell me, guys, which contains destination account, guys? In the real class, which parameter contains destination account, guys? Which contain amount? Okay, not destination account. Account number, which contains amount. If ARGS1, okay, that we are converting into what? Float ARGS1. Float ARGS1. Come on. If float ARGS1 less than or equal to 4,000. If the amount is less than or equal to 4,000. See, guys, what should I do? If the amount is less than or equal to 4,000, what I am doing? Guys, invoke super target comma arguments. That means invoke real method. Invoke the real method. Invoke the real method. Tell me, guys, what is this? Object retrieval. Otherwise, here itself we can retrieve. Okay. Object retrieval. Retrieval means return value. Tell me, what is this? Proxy dot invoke super. Invoke super target class object and arguments, guys. Invoke super. Inspire. It's a new one. Target means this one and arguments is this one. Come on. Yeah. Return retrieval. Returning, boss. Else, if it is not that. Else, if it is not that, guys. Tell me, my dear, I want reply. Else, if it is not that. Understanding, guys? If it is not that, what is that? Throw new illegal argument exception. Come on. Illegal argument. Illegal argument exception, guys. Illegal argument exception. Tell me, guys, invalid amount to withdraw. Otherwise, you cannot withdraw more than 4,000 in the period of demonetization. Monetization. Got it, guys? In the period of demonetization. Error, guys. Okay. Then, why error? Why exception is coming, Ra Babu? Oh, I'm right only, na? Else block is done. If is done, this is done. If method name is not, if method name is not withdraw, what should I do? Yeah, if method name is not withdraw, no proxy logic should be applied. No proxy logic should be applied. Happily what? Superclass method should be called as it is or not? No proxy logic should be applied as it is. Proxy dot, tell me. Proxy dot invoke super. What is this? Target class object args. Okay, guys. Invoke real method. This is not main logic. This is helper logic. This logic is going to add where somewhere. What is that? Invoke real method. Tell me, object retrieval. Return retrieval. Object retrieval, return retrieval. Okay. This is not proxy class, Ra Babu. Helper class for dynamic proxy class, guys. Helper class for dynamic proxy class. I hope you convinced it, guys. Proxy class internally calls intercept method. Proxy class, dynamically generated proxy class internally calls in-memory class, guys. Got it? Are you understanding my statement, boss? Okay. Superna, boss. This is just a helper class, boss. Hope you got the clarity. Every method, this will come into picture. If the method is withdraw, amount is less than 4,000. Second argument is first index, na? Okay, invoke the real method, return. Otherwise, throw the exception. If he's asking more than 4,000 to withdraw, throw the exception. Convinced, guys? Now go to factory, guys. Go to factory. This factory is responsible to generate what, guys? That in-memory proxy class. Proxy should take the responsibility of generating. See, guys, this is a new API. There's no wrong of having. Yeah, enhancer.create generates the proxy class. Bank service IMPL.class, new proxy helper. Bank service IMPL.class, new proxy helper. This is our helper class object, guys. Okay, for this class, having code of this class as the helper logic, you generate the in-memory proxy class. Enhancer.create is the correct one. Okay, tell me, RBI monitoring is done if, now listen guys, yeah, it will generate proxy class as the subclass of what? So no need of taking bank interface guys. You will just take bank service IMPL only. Okay. Bank service IMPL, no need of taking withdraw. It's the direct one. It comes as a subclass, guys. Subclass. Bank service factory, my dear. Bank service factory, my dear. Yeah, not required. Tell me, if RBI monitoring is there, indirectly, if demonetization is there, IMPL service is equal to. Tell me, guys, service is equal to bank service IMPL. Okay. Service IMPL. Tell me next one. Enhancer dot. Create. What dot create, guys? Enhancer dot create. For which class it has to generate? Bank service IMPL class. What is the helper class, guys? New proxy, 1 minute. Service proxy helper. Bank service proxy helper. Proxy helper. Bank service proxy helper. Okay, here class name gone wrong. That's why it is not working properly. Save it, guys. Bank service proxy helper, guys. Are you understanding my statement, guys? Bank service proxy helper. Bank service proxy helper. Yeah, let's see, guys. Return type is bank service IMPL only. Done. Here what? Bank service proxy helper. This generates in-memory proxy class. What class, guys? In-memory proxy class. This generates in-memory proxy class. If RBI monitoring is enabled, if not enabled, service is equal to new bank service IMPL. Return service. Return service. End of the method, end of the class. Cool, guys. End of the method, end of the class. Pause. Right. Tell me, if monitoring is there, dynamically generate the in-memory proxy class. Enhancer.create is the method that generates the in-memory proxy class, guys. As the subclass of this class, adding this class logics. By taking what? This class logics as the additional logic. By taking this class logics as the additional logic. Array, this is not in-memory proxy class, guys. This is not proxy class. This class logics will become helper logics. Super, guys. Tell me. Next, proxy DP test, boss. Proxy DP test. Tell me. Bank service IMPL service is equal to bank service factory dot get instance of true. RBI monitoring is enabled. Enabled means what? Here, what is that? Proxy class object will come. In memory, proxy class object will come. Withdraw method print. Second case, guys. Bank service IMPL. Get instance, guys. Printed, guys. During normal days, bank service IMPL false. Here, normal class object will come, guys. Real class object will come and logic will execute. Boss. Come on, come on. Okay, you see the execution, you will get clarity. Some unused import statements are there, remove them. Proxy. Look at the first case. Oh. Unable to make protected final class. Byte array. Opens unnamed module. What's happening, guys? Bank service IMPL new proxy helper enhancer dot create. This is perfect now, boss. Method proxy. It is going in its own way, guys. Who bothered about that? What's the error? Inaccessible object exception. Unable to make protected final. Eleven test, guys. Get instance method is called. Factory has come. Wait a minute. Proxy has come. Yeah, everything is perfect now, boss. Everything is perfect. Line number 12. I have to close the line. No, there is no need of writing close. Check the flower brackets. Open, closing. If else, open, closing. End of the method, end of the class. Any issue in the jars, guys? Any issue in the jar files? Inaccessible object, unable to make protected final java.lang.class. Define java.lang.byte array into protection domain. Class format error. Okay. Java.based unnamed module. This. What is this error? Unnamed module. Unnamed module. Where it's what's happening? Any problem with the jars that I have added? Let me verify. No, jar file, that's not an issue, guys. Build path, configure build path. ASM. No, one is what? Already ASM.jar is downloaded. That's why. 1 minute. Maybe ASM, I think compatibility issue might have come. Here, what is the ASM version, guys? 7.1, CZlib 3.30. Okay, here what I have taken? CZlib 3.30, ASM 7.1. No, it's right, perfectly there. Okay, let me reduce the Java version. Java facets. Java facets. I'll take this one as Java 8 or 8 1.8 guys. Apply this. Right click Java compiler. Right click Java compiler. Yeah, 1.8 apply close. What's happening guys? Right click run on Java application. Yeah, that's nice. Easily there. Return service, static method, net.sf.cz. This one. Bank service helper. Bank service proxy helper. What's happening? What's happening? Where? Code generation, inaccessible object exception, unable to make final java.lang.class, define class, java.base does not open java.lang to unnamed module this. Where is this unnamed module, Rababu? Class format accessible. I changed Java version also. Then what is the issue, boss? Did I add any other version jars, guys? Class path. CZlib. ASM jar file is not an issue. That is extra jar file, guys. 1 minute. For your satisfaction, build path. I'll remove this. No, that is already downloaded in the same folder. It is taking a duplicate name, nothing else. ASM. Yes. Happy now? Hey, that is not a should be a problem. Proxy DP test. Code generation. Enhancer.create might be creating problem. Let me check. Proxy DP test, guys. Code generation. Inaccessible object exception. Unable to make protected final class. Java.lang. Java.lang. Definition class. Java.lang. Okay. Saying that java.lang.class is protected final class, guys. Bank service impl.enhancer.create, guys. enhancer dot create. Array, many times I executed this code, Babu. Equals ignore case, proxy dot less than or equal to 400. Okay, if it is that one, this one. Or retval, any problem in the return values, guys? No error at all, that's a problem. Method interceptor correct package is imported czlib dot proxy dot. Net dot sf dot czlib dot proxy dot this. Full class name. Where I should give full class name? Come on, guys. What's happening? Line number 2. No, this is helper for dynamic. This is method, na? This is the method. This is the method. 1 minute. Let's debug the code, guys. Line number 12. This is only to know the class name now, boss. 1 minute. Bank service factory. It is expecting dot class file, this creator method. Bank service for proxy. Method interceptor wrongly imported. No, yeah, everything is perfectly there, boss. Yeah, why it is behaving like this now? Proxy DP test. Which class it is not having provision, Babu? Property DCSX code generation exception. Java.lang. Inaccessible object exception. Unable to make protected final. Unable to make protected final class. Java.lang. Class loader. Define protected domain. Accessible. Okay. Module Java does not opens. Java.lang to unnamed module this. Unnamed module this. What's the meaning of that Java.base, guys? 1 minute. Okay, when this kind of errors are raised, guys, take the error. Say paste. If anyone else, I have czlib, okay, Java 16 with Java 15 with Java 16. Come on. Oh, since JDK system default for IOL action, so deep reflection API JDC class details. You can override the behavior by specifying illegal, strongly encapsulate genuine and solution. The permanent solution up to easily beats to a compatible version. The attempt to class loader dot define class just wants to this one. No one is giving any solution, Babu. I changed Java version also. Why it is still hanging there? Why it is still hanging there? Raffle surely meant illegal access prior to JDK 16. Default is access is equal to permit. Now it is hyphen illegal access deny. Oh, deny. You may override it and again sometime JPP 403 get implemented and the whole thing will be broken again. Whole thing will be broken again. JEP 403. What is JUP 403? Okay. Bapre. So by default, it is not allowing. But I changed Java version now, boss. That's what I'm worried now. Okay, it's JDK level, some restriction came. I to agree that. But I changed Java version, right? I changed Java version only. Java compiler 1.8. Java, where is Java? Here Java is not there. Java build style. Yeah, everywhere 1.7 is there. ASM is there. Namespaces. Array. Sometimes it will check our patience, guys. Sir, maybe in our source file they are in different packages. We give fully qualified class name. Why should I give fully qualified class name? They can recognize them and there na boss. Then recognize then and there, right? Proxy DP test.java run as Java application, guys. Where it is tracking up? Bank service factory 14, proxy DP 11. All these are internal classes. Nothing is happening in our place. Code generation exception. Unable to make. 1 minute. Where is the version of? Where is the version we have to see, guys? Java. Code style 1.8. Java locate, not doing Java editor, fine. Remaining everything. Facets are project facets. Okay, Java 1.8 only it is pointing, guys. Java 1.8 only it is pointing, guys. Oh shit. What to do? What to do now? We should not give up this kind of problems, guys. For so many batches, I have shown this dynamic proxy generation, Rabab. This dynamic proxy generation. Rana Java application option also not coming. Build path. Where is this? Build path also not appearing. Project facets. Wait. Where is our code, guys? Why it is not coming? Why it's coming here, but it's not coming there? src/main/java. Why it is not appearing there, guys? JRE is there? JRE, not there. Next. Oh, window preferences, Java, JWE, Java compiler version. Java compiler is still showing this, guys. Come on. Java compiler is still showing. 1 minute. Window preferences. Where is this? Java. What is that? Installed JREs. Okay, fine. Install JREs. Code style. Compiler 1.8. Code coverage. Okay. JUnit. Install JREs. Okay, fine. Close it. Proxy DP test. Header does not contain main type. Why, sir? Why header does not contain main type? Why Java 10? I have chosen Java 8 now. Why Java 8 is not coming there? Apply, close. Why classes are not coming here? I think some package got disturbed here. No classes are appearing now. Check it out. Now no classes are appearing. Why so, guys? Okay. I think that got disturbed, guys. File new project, guys. Java project. Proxy DP614. Say next. I'll select Java 8. I select Java 8. Okay. Say next. Say finish. Say next, say finish. com.nt. 1 minute. Real. Bank service IMPL. Wait. Why that src main Java is coming? Package. com.nt. What? Real. This is my real class. Paste. Package. com.nt.proxy. com.nt.proxy, guys. com.nt.proxy. Here we have to keep proxy helper class, guys. Copy this, paste. 1 minute. Package. com.nt. Okay, com.nt.factory. Copy this, guys, paste it. Okay, now errors are not added, that's why errors are. com.nt.test. Proxy DB test. They are copied, guys. delete these guys, right click, run as Java run configurations, run configurations. Okay, build path, yes, build path, configure build path. Okay, projects, libraries, add external jars, ASM 7.2. Yeah, versions are same, guys. Say next, say next, say apply. Say next, say apply. Proxy DP test, guys. Right click, Java application. Oh, shit, guys. Java.lang.inaccessible object exception. Unable to make protected final class. Java.lang.class as Java.lang.class. Okay, it's saying that protected class is there, access restriction is there. That's why I'm not able to access it. I think it is some JDK level issue, guys. It's purely JDK level issue. 1 minute. It's a JDK level issue. No, just now I checked now, boss. Unable to make protected class, this one. I tried JDK under no luck. Okay, see, use Java to start Eclipse. I have to use Java 15, guys. So that means I have to stop using Java 16. Let me verify. I think in my system Java 16 should not be there. Huh? Okay, yeah, it's no, it's not restart, guys. Advanced system settings are a very simple one, Ra Babu. Environment variable. Forget about class path. Look at the path, guys. Seed drive, Java 11 only there, na here. Java 11 only there. Let me try old version of JDK. Path, Java 11 only there. It's a Java compatibility issue, guys. Java, it's not issue from our side. Version, no, Eclipse or whatever it is, Java issue or version compatibility issue, guys. Because I have created project with Java 8, since it is not asking for it. It's not giving permission to load certain classes, guys. Java application, no, it's running. Eclipse.inf file in this Eclipse folder. Okay, let me try this. Let me shut down this, guys. Fine. Where is my Eclipse installation? Open file location. Yeah, here Eclipse.ini file. Where is Eclipse.ini file, guys? Can I say this? Edit. Here, where I should add VM, guys? Sandeep K, where should I add VM? Okay. Listen. Illegal access permit is there, na? Illegal access permit is there. Illegal access permit is there. Okay. Permit to warn. Permit to warn. Where is that? Explicitly VM required Java version 11. Make permitted to warn. Where is that permit to warn, guys? What we should do for that? Acha, is it comment? Is it comment, guys? Hyphen is a comment. Okay, permit as warn. Okay, we'll make it warn. Okay, no problem. NTDP614. Hey, our code is not having problem. I'm very confident on that. Okay, and this is for me also sudden surprise. I was very much happy to show dynamic proxy class, guys. And this version of Eclipse is giving this headache. Illegal. Unable to make protected final class. Class loader. Array, yeah, Eclipse, give me the permission, Rababu, give me the permission. 1 minute. Let's change other Eclipse. Okay. I think any old version I saw, any old Eclipse we are having, 2001, 2021-03. What this is saying, guys? Illegal access to warn and add opens Java base allowed to your INI file. Can I add it? 1 minute. Okay, 1 minute. Unnamed. Can I add it? Can I try this one, guys? Okay, now who will touch that? Go to, yeah. This is taking time. This is taking time. Meanwhile, open file location. Open file location. Eclipse.ini. What .ini? Eclipse.ini. Okay, then I will add one entry. Add open Java base Java along all unnamed, guys. Right. All unnamed. Close this one, guys. Close this one. Launch it. Launch this, guys. Try this. Add VM flag in eclipse.ini file in Eclipse folder. Where I should add VM flag, boss? Oh shit. Right click, run on Spring Boot Java application. Code generation. Inaccessible object exception. Unable to make protected final class. Illegal access warn that I did. Try this in VM flag, eclipse.ini file in Eclipse folder. Okay, make it warn, permit to warn, make permit to warn, illegal access is equal to warn. It's there now, boss. I already did that. Where is that file? In eclipse.ini file, I have did that work. Right click, 1 minute. Right click properties, not properties. Right click file location, eclipse.ini file. Where is ini file, guys? Which is extension having INI? This is it having INI file? Security. Security. What is the file name, guys? What is the file name of this file? How to find out the file extension, guys? Security. How to find out the file extension? Yeah, this is eclipse.ini file only. This is eclipse.ini file only. Add open java.base.all unnamed. All unnamed. In generals are general tab. It must be there where Eclipse is installed. Yeah, Eclipse is there installed there only. I have used it for setting JDK version once. Okay, line number 14. What is this? I have to remove there, Sandeep K. I have to remove this VM. What do you say? Already VM is there now. VM is there now. VM is there already. No, it's not taking, it's not giving permission, guys. It's really not giving permission. I don't know where it's gone wrong. Okay, I'll try. You also work out at home. I also will work out. Code is not having issues. Some setup versions are having issues. I'm very sure. Code is not having issues. Setup or versions are issue. I'll work out. You also work out. We'll find out the solution. If anyone got the solution, mail me. I will check whether it is you are going in a right way or not. There is a spell mistake in line number 21. 21, what is that? Use string duplication. No. Use string. No, that is not ours now, boss. We cannot touch. I don't know what intention they have taken it. Fine.